Wednesday, March 12th, and new airboat in the shop. One just left the yard. I saw it on the highway driving out to Dad's shop, and I don't know what's going on here, but I imagine it's probably the same. Probably gonna have to take off the tires and check the bearings, and I know there's gonna be a bunch of engine work. It really looks like they already got parts here for stuff, and yeah, so this is all going to be going into this machine, probably a week or two's worth of work on here, and we'll check back in with Dad tomorrow, so I'll probably blend this video into the next one, and just so you guys can see what's going on. But still spot in the shop. Dad cleared out the some more parts and stuff around here. It's not so tight to the couch this time, so Charlie will like that. Dad cleaned out the gas wash yesterday. He got 20 pounds of dirt out of there, and the guys are just having an end of day wet. So like I said, I'll blend this in with tomorrow, and that is what's in the shop right now. Monday, March 17th, and I haven't done a video in a couple of days just because Dad's been working on airboats. Now, if you notice, we got the orange airboat out and the black one in, and Dad has got to replace heads on this engine. I guess they had issues with this machine last year, and they're hoping that by replacing the heads, they're going to have it up and running and operational. Dad had to replace the rad here. Dad and Randy are busy all day here working on this. I don't know where Aiden is, but it looks like they were doing some wiring here as well. I know there's a whole pile of work that has to be done on this machine. I think the cage is in good shape, or they have been working on it, but they gotta do some wiring up here, and I think they have to clean out the old fuel tank from the old gas and whatnot. Gonna be a lot of vacuuming and cleaning out stuff there. I don't know if that exhaust pipe is getting replaced or not, or if it's been replaced, but as you can see, they're busy in engine work here pretty thick. So Dad and Randy are discussing all the problems here. No Aiden today?
No, he had trouble too.
Okay. So can't make it work? You had this on and off already, or what?
Hey?
You've had it on and off already?
We got one on, but the heads are different.
Okay. So this is what it's supposed to look like, right?
This is double spring, these, eh?
Yeah.
And then I don't, these rocker arms don't fit right. So I might have put roller rockers on, and then I don't know if the push rods that come through here are the same.
Okay. So Dad's gonna have to do a lot of
Some questions and phone them tomorrow.
okay. So Dad's going to be busy doing this for the next couple of days until they figure it out. Other than that, that's it. Little dog's right there. And one airboat. We got to bring in a vehicle because the vehicle didn't start this morning, so we got to clean the heads or the points on the battery. Dad's just going to fill the furnace here for the end of the day, and that's it. Tuesday, March 18th. And Dad still has the big black airboat in the shop here that he's working on heads on, and you can see the little dog is just loving the couch here and rubbing around. And then we got another little fishing boat over here we gotta check on, so I'm gonna go see what the boys are up to. So as you can see here, Dad still has top of the engine covered. I know they were farting around with heads there yesterday, and there seemed to be an issue with the knockers or something like that. I can't remember exactly the part, but wrong size. I know they had to troubleshoot that, but it looks like we've got another boat here in the shop, and this boat is unknown at this point. Now what Dad and are doing here right now is they've taken off that other motor that was on that table. That motor was a 318 that Dennis Evans brought in from Saskatchewan, and turned out that Dad didn't like the compression test on it. And this is the motor that we've had stored over here for the longest time.
This one we just brought out.
Yeah, so this is the other one, and they're just putting the flex plate on. And we're going to fire this one up here probably tomorrow. But he wants to put this transmission on it to test because this transmission won't fit, okay? Okay. So they're going to put a different transmission on because we want to use this engine and transmission for the swamp buggy. Okay.
Because the last test we done was all paint and bullshit.
Okay. Dad was just saying the last test he did was all paint and bullshit.